Welcome back. Goa Cricket Association and its President Balu Phadke has approached the High Court challenging state government's authority to appoint a committee to investigate alleged financial and administrative irregularities in the GCA. District Registrar for North Goa on 8th October had appointed two-member committee. The single bench of the High Court has transferred the matter before the double bench. The double bench will hear this matter on 27th of October. Goa Cricket Association and its President Balu Phadke in their petition before the High Court have challenged the power of Goa government to appoint a committee under Societies Registration Act. Petitioners have also alleged that members of inquiry committee are friendly with opposition side. This matter had come up for hearing on Tuesday before the single bench of the High Court. After hearing briefly, the single bench observed that this matter is related with the administrative order. Hence, it should be placed before the double bench. The bench issued notices to all the respondents, returnable on 27th of October. In a weekly program Head On, Balu Phadke had stated that he is ready to face the investigation. But taking a U-turn now, he is challenging the probe. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar has stressed for provision of research assistance to MPs in the country. He was speaking at the 16th All India WIPS conference at Kavalosi on Tuesday. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has also said that public money should not be wasted on mere committee meetings. Parrikar emphasized that MPs should be paid properly and better.
Chief guest और इसी के आइकॉन जो भी हम पुरस्कार देने जा रहे हैं इसके बारे में नेक्स्ट वीक हम अनाउंस करेंगे पूरा all have emphasized that to make democracy success the role of whips and chief whips along with the members of parliament or legislature is very important. Whips ensure better floor management in the house. Two good suggestions have come, which are the main recommendations. That the members of legislators must be provided by the government the research assistance. There are very good educated youths ready to assist legislature in making legislation, in making speeches, in having informed discussion. There has to be professional training of the legislature, of their staff, of many other organs involved in the process. And there is an e-parliament, which is very important. And last but not least, most important suggestion which has come unanimously as a recommendation of this conference is that the small states must have at least 40 working days of business.
I'll tell you, once you become an MP or MLA, it's like a cocaine. You can't do your business. We have to have some courage, but at the same time, थोड़े चीज रुकने चाहिए. Public waste of money should be stopped. For example, if you are enjoying at the cost of government, that has to stop. इसके लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कमिटी की मीटिंग आप हर जगह करते हैं. I don't mind it being taken in different places, but don't. It is most of the time converted into a tourism occasion. Don't be afraid to pay MPs better, because if you throw peanuts, someone like it or not, this is one issue which I have been absolutely supporting from day one in spite of criticism. And I will say that those who criticize do not understand, because if you throw peanuts, you will get monkeys.
High Court has rejected interim relief to former Director of Prosecution Shobha Dhumaskar on her plea to stay ongoing criminal proceedings against her before MAPSA CBI Court. But the High Court has directed lower court to postpone the date of her appearance from 16th October to any other date after 24th of October. Shobha Dhumaskar is facing corruption charges for illegally leasing out a government flat at Panji when she was posted as Director of Prosecution.
It was also pointed out to the Honorable Judge that staying of the proceedings is barred by the Act itself, and the Supreme Court in various judgments has said that the trials of corruption cases cannot be stayed. The Honorable Bombay High Court at Goa today declined to stay the proceedings, but has asked the CBI court to adjourn the hearing to any date after the 24th.
Former Director of Prosecution Shobha Dumaskar has pleaded to stay criminal proceeding at Mapsa CBI Court. But the High Court on Tuesday refused to grant the interim stay on criminal proceeding and adjourned the hearing for 23rd October. The Mapsa CBI Court in its latest summon had directed Shobha Dumaskar to appear on 16th October. Now, the High Court has directed trial court to postpone the date of her appearance from 16th October to any other date after 24th October. Shobha Dumaskar is facing trial over a complaint made by Advocate Iris Rodriguez on 5th August 2011. Advocate Iris had filed a complaint with Anti-Corruption Branch alleging that a 76 square meters government flat at Panji was leased by then Director of Prosecution Shobha Dumaskar without issuing a public advertisement, which caused a loss to the state exchequer. Earlier on 6 September 2014, Anti-Corruption Branch had pleaded to the court to close the corruption case against her because the loss to the exchequer was only Rs 61,200 and the amount was being recovered. But the CBI court rejecting ACB's plea directing Shobha Dumaskar to face trial in the alleged corruption case. Meanwhile, the High Court has denied interim relief to former Sarpanch of Sankwal, Ramakant Borkar. Borkar has pleaded to grant him interim relief from arrest. The High Court has adjourned hearing of anticipatory bail plea for 23rd October. Anti-Corruption Branch has booked accused Ramakant Borkar for demanding and taking bribe for issuing occupancy certificates. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.